Alright, back it up. Back it up. Shane drove that car in years because I had to do a transmission swap on it. That's the exhaust that you hear. Just trying to get the transmission filled up. Alright, turn it off. Is it doing any better? Oh, I think it. Where is she going? I think it might be doing better. I'm supposed to pull the car up, get the exhaust done. Damn, this sounds good without that rattle. I think it's doing good. Is it doing good? You gonna drive this bitch to work tomorrow or next day? All right, turn it off. Yeah. I don't think because I've been messing with this damn car so damn much. I don't even tighten the lug nuts up. I just get on finger tight. How's it feel driving your car for the first time? What, like 4 years?
Almost 4 years.
What's it like driving it for the first time?
Good.
I don't know what she said. Got the new exhaust piece on. Got the other side on. Alright, I'll start it up. Yeah. Definitely a little rowdy. The exhaust bolts up to the headers at. It needs to be tightened down all the way. They're not all the way tightened. In the trunk. She puts it in reverse, it's going to quiet. Well, it should. Yep. It's got that rumble to it. What is that? Oh. We think that it just needed transmission fluid because I did a complete transmission swap. There's the headlights. That bad. Boom. Yeah. This right here is just condensation. I think I fixed it. I think I did a damn good job. But the exhaust comes down off the header. It goes straight into 2 catalytic converters. And then those need to be tightened up right there. Is it driving better?
A little.
Alright, so I just got done scrubbing it down a little bit, mate. I just got done scrubbing it, as you guys can tell. Did it in a hot baking Florida sun. So all that soap is all dried up. And it's actually ruining the paint right now. And it's actually come as you are. I'll make a separate video telling you guys everything that this car needs. But for right now, we need to take it to get it washed. Got the exhaust done, got the transmission topped off, runs and drives. Got the lug nuts all torqued down. She just needs to be heavily cleaned out. So update, I'm driving it. We came to this car wash here and I thought it was a self-service. I thought one was automatic and the other one was self-service, but they're both automatic. And we definitely gotta wash this damn thing by scrubbing it real good. And well, we went down the road and I was waiting for the transmission to shift. It didn't shift. It also wasn't saying how fast we were going either on that. So I decided to pull in somewhere and told my mom about it. And she's like, well, let's just go and park it. I was like, well, it needs to be washed. And then I was like, you want to take it up to this one? She said, yeah. I'm like, all right, bet. So now we're waiting. Shouldn't take too long. thing sounds good, but that rattling is from the freaking exhaust, dude. So I didn't hook up the wheel speed sensor, so when you're driving it doesn't tell you how fast you're going, and I think that's why it's not shifting. Because this car, the reason why I had a transmission swap is because a transmission shop said that the front pump housing or whatever got burned out. There's a shootout, which is why the transmission was bad. And when you give it gas, it's super slow, like snail speed. When I was driving it down the road, it's driving. You can go as fast as you want, but it's not shifting. So I don't know, but I'm gonna have her drive it so that way I can get a little video of it and the cure wash. Yeah, this one started fast. Hang on. I guess I gotta wait a second. It's stupid. Nothing in the ghetto works because everybody likes to tear it up. Dude, she getting a whoosh. People, what you honking at, dude? You gotta wait. You gotta wait. You ain't gotta honk at me, dude. You ain't gotta honk. You good? You good? Motherfucker. People get scared quick, dude. Nice ass Beamer though. Look at that damn thing. She clean. She all the way cleaned up now. Sheesh. We're gonna vacuum it out. That exhaust has to be fixed. Look at all this. Oh. You cannot tell me that the fucking earth is a spinning ball.